Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing well. Today's discussion is about winter depression or winter blues. Now, I didn't know that this was a thing. I didn't know that this exists. I didn't know that other people suffer from this as well. I knew nothing of this. All I know is how I was feeling, and I was noticing that on spring and on summer, I would be fine, everything would be good. But as soon as autumn come around and going on to winter, as the more and more the temperature drops and it starts getting colder and colder, is the more and more my energy level would be dropping lower and lower. And I didn't know why, I didn't understand why, but all I know, it was very difficult to get up out of bed. It was very difficult to carry out my daily life, my daily chores, go about my daily business. Like, I just want to stay in my bed. I don't want to move. I don't want to talk to anybody. I don't want to go anywhere. Like, if you come inside my house, it would be like a cave. Literally like a cave, because I am not opening my windows, I am not opening my blinds, I am not opening my curtain. Nothing is moving. Everything is closed. And the reason behind this is opening up my window, one glance, one look outside would give me this feeling of depression, this feeling of like everything dead, just looking at the gray skies, looking at the trees, missing all the leaf, all the color from the earth is gone, the greenness of the trees, the skeleton of the trees is all you would see. Like, there's no grass on the ground, the grass would be replaced by snow, or the grass would be dead, and all you would see is just the earth and dust and brown and dark, and all the flowers just dead, everything just dead. You just feel like all life, everything just crash, burn, burn up, done, And for that reason, and the way how it feels to look out the window, I would not look out the window. So I would just not open my blinds. As the months get colder and colder, is the less and less my blinds open, the less and less my curtain opens, until boop, for the whole winter. Now look out the door. And even to go outside and carry out daily life activity was so difficult, and it still is so difficult for me, because in summertime you would see the park is full of people out there laughing, joking, carrying on, having picnics, the birds in the sky singing, children laughing or running up and down with balloons in the park. You would see people bicycling about, you would see ice cream man, you would see all life going on, everything exists. That is just that makes this earth just so wonderful, or make my world so wonderful. But during the winter time, all that ceases, because park now empty. The only thing you might see is a one bird or a one duck, and no laughter, because everybody is just rushing by, and just slowly and slowly you see people moods shift, people moods change, and then all of a sudden more and more you just feel like inside you're just dying slowly and slowly, and till you just find yourself in this mood where you just can't wake up from, and I wonder, why is this? Like, what is happening? Like, should I see a psychologist or something like this for this problem? Like, am I going crazy? Because I grew up in Jamaica. I never experienced this. Anybody who know me know I'm a sunshine girl, I'm a beach girl, and even working with me in an office, I would be the one to turn off the office AC and all of this. Me and my coworker, if we share office, me and them would wrestle with the remote to turn off the AC, because I don't want it on, they want it on. And even drinking my water, I am somebody who drink water room temperature. I don't drink water that is refrigerated. If you give me refrigerated water, I am going to put it down and wait until it get down to room temperature. That's just how I am. Like cold weather, rainy weather, it just always did something to me even while living in Jamaica. I'm just a sunshine and rainbow girl, you know? I wouldn't mind painting the skies full of rainbow and sunshine. That's just me. That's just who I am. So during winter moment in France, you can really imagine how much that affect me mentally to experience this. Like every single winter, it just feel like something inside me dead. It just feel like my body shut down. It just feel like all the energy from me gone. It just feel like the walls are closing in. It's just not a nice feeling. It's just not a nice feeling. And finally, I was saying this to my friend in New York, and my friend was saying to me, you know that I think you're going through winter depression. And I'm like, really? You're joking, right? You're not serious. Is this a thing, or is this just a word that you're making up? You know, winter depression, like what you're talking about. And he's like, yeah, it's true. They have this lamp, and I was reading something, and they said that people go through it, and some people use this lighting lamp that you can use, and it will help you improve your mood and stuff like that. And I'm like, are you serious? And he's like, quite serious. And then finally I start looking into it, and I start doing my own research about it and stuff like that. And I see that, whoa, it is true. People really go through this. It is really a thing. Like, I am not alone. I am not going crazy. And trust me, it's a sign of relief. It's a sign of relief to know that I'm not alone. It's a sign of relief to know that other people experience this. It's a sign of relief that to know that, you know, and I don't want a straight jacket and medication just to get through the winter. You understand? So now that I know that this is actually a thing, I know that it exists, I plan on this winter to test out a few things that I've read about and learned about, and I am willing to give you guys feedback on each thing that I try, each thing that I experiment with to get through this winter, especially now that you have the coronavirus and things are more moving by slowly, and people are less likely to socialize this winter, and more and more people are in isolation this winter. It's a perfect environment and a perfect time for me right now to try out all the things that I've learned, and to give you guys feedback on it and update on it, to let you guys know that if somebody's out there and they're going through this, just know that you're not alone. Just know that winter depression does exist, and just know that we will get through it together. It just takes work, and I am willing to put in the work and experiment and feed and give you the feedback that maybe you need to get through your own winter depression. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys for listening. I hope you guys will have a good day, a good week, whatever it is. See you in the next video, and I plan to give you an update as to all the things that I will be trying out this winter, and let you guys know. Bisous. Au revoir.